Tuesday second video. Just I revised the chapter 3 theory of equation. We are using the formula for theory of equation. See what is the beta formula for quadratic equation? If alpha beta formula for that is alpha and beta are the roots of the equation. Just I recall that the formula alpha and beta roots of the quadratic equation means ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Sum of the root implies alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Product of the root alpha into beta equal to c by a. That is nothing but what x square minus sum of the root into x plus product of the root equal to 0. That is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. This is beta formula for quadratic equation. Suppose in beta formula for cubic equation is nothing but what alpha, beta and gamma are the roots of the equation. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0 means what is the sum of the root? Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a. This is alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha equal to c by a, alpha beta gamma equal to minus d by a. So what is the cubic equation is nothing but what? X cube minus alternative symbol. X cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma equal to 0. This is the beta formula for cubic equation. Go through the formula for from the book itself given very neatly. Go through first, learn the beta formula for quadratic equation and cubic equation. Afterwards we are going to revise the sums. Next is number 3.1. See the fourth question. Solve the equation. The cubic is given 3x cube minus 16x square plus 23x minus 6 equal to 0. If the product of the two root is 1, the question itself given, product of the two root is given. So this is a cubic equation. What is our coefficients taken as a equal to 3? From the given equation a equal to 3, b equal to what? Minus 16, c equal to 23, d equal to minus 6. What is the sum of the root? Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a. You substitute the value for minus of minus, that is nothing but what? 16 by 3. Next time alpha beta, which is cube. This is nothing but what? Cubic equation. Second one is what? Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha equal to c by a. What is our c? C is nothing but what? 23. What is our a? A equal to 3, 23 by 3. Alpha beta gamma is what? Minus d by a. So minus of minus 6, because d value is nothing but what? D value is minus 6. D value is minus 6. So therefore alpha beta gamma equal to minus of minus 6 by 3 is nothing but what? 6 by 3 is 2. So therefore the cubic equation, quadratic equation, first learn the formula. After the sum is very easy for you. What is the question itself given? Product of the two root is 1. So you take one root is alpha means another root is what? It's reciprocal. That is alpha into 1 by alpha is 1. The condition is given in the question itself. Product of the two root is 1. So we take alpha. Instead of 3, we have 3 roots in the cubic equation. How many roots having? 3 roots. Alpha, beta, gamma. So taken as alpha is taken as alpha. Instead of beta, we select as 1 by alpha. Instead of gamma, we taken as what? Beta. Understand what? Because the product of the two root is nothing but what? 1. So summation of 1. Summation of 1 is nothing but what? Alpha plus beta plus gamma. So alpha plus 1 by alpha plus beta equal to 16 by 3. Summation of is what? Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha. That is second one. Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha. First one is what? Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Second one is what? Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha. So what is what? Now we see that one. Instead of beta we take 1 by alpha. Instead of gamma we take in beta. Because the question is given, the product of the two root is what? 1. So alpha into 1 by alpha is taken as 1. You take any one of the root is taking its reciprocal. So I am taking the alpha. Alpha into 1 by alpha plus alpha into 1 by alpha plus 1 by alpha into beta plus beta into alpha. So after simplification we get what? 1 plus beta by alpha into beta. The alpha cancelled. First one is 1. Beta by alpha plus beta alpha equal to 23 by 3. Next the summation of 3 is nothing but what? Alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha into 1 by alpha into beta equal to what is alpha, beta, gamma? Alpha, beta, gamma equal to nothing but what? 2. So alpha into 1 by alpha into beta equal to 2. That is beta equal to 2. That is equation number 3. Substituting, we want to find substituting the third equation 1. What is the third? We get the beta value. Beta equal to 2. So substitute in the third, substitute beta equal to 2 in equation 1. Alpha plus 1 by alpha plus beta equal to 16 by 3. Instead of beta, you substitute what? 2. So alpha plus 1 by alpha equal to 1 by alpha equal to 16 minus 2 by 3. That is nothing but what? Alpha plus 1 by alpha equal to, after simplification we get what? 10 by 3. Which one is very important? The condition is alpha into 1 by alpha equal to 1. The product of the two root is 1. So therefore we take as alpha is the product of the two root is 1. So alpha plus 1 by alpha is find out, we get the condition for 10 by 3. Next, alpha plus 1 by alpha equal to 10 by 3 means after we taking the LCM, alpha into alpha is what? Alpha square plus 1 by alpha equal to 10 by 3. Just you take the cross multiplication. We get the cross multiplication, we get, after the cross multiplication, get a quadratic equation. 3 alpha square plus 3 plus 10 alpha become minus 10 alpha equal to 0. After arranging the quadratic equation, 3 alpha square minus 10 alpha plus 3 equal to 0. Sum is what? Minus 10. Product is what? 9. Product is what? 9 ones are minus 9 into minus 1 is nothing but what? Plus 9 ones are 9. Minus 9 into minus 1 is plus 9. Minus 9 add minus 9 added with the minus 1, you get what? Minus 10. So what is the coefficient? Alpha square is what? 3. So divide by 3 alpha. Here also divide by 3 alpha. So cancel, we get what? 1 3 is 3, 3 3 are 9. So alpha minus 3, 3 alpha minus 1. Alpha minus 3, 3 alpha minus 1 equal to 0. Alpha minus 3 equal to 0 means alpha equal to 3. 3 alpha minus 1 equal to 0 means 3 alpha equal to 1, that is alpha equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, the roots are what? Alpha comma 1 by alpha comma beta. So, because alpha beta gamma is taken as, how to taken as? Alpha beta gamma is taken as what? Alpha comma 1 by alpha comma beta. So, alpha equal to be taken as a 3. 1 by alpha is 1 by 3. Beta is nothing but 2. Therefore, the condition is very important. What is the condition given? Product of the two root is 1. Using the given condition, we solve the equation. The same exercise, the question number 6, solve the equation x cube minus 9x square plus 14x plus 24 equal to 0. If it is given that 2 of its roots are in the ratio, 2 of its roots are in the ratio 3 is to 2. For the last time we teach what I revise. Product of the two root is 1. Here what the roots are given in the ratio. What is the ratio is given? 3 is to 2. What is the given equation? The given equation rewrite as what is the given equation? X cube minus 9x square plus 14x plus 24 equal to 0. What is the coefficient x cube? That is A equal to 1, B equal to minus 9, C equal to 14, D equal to 24. Let the three roots are what you taken as alpha, beta, gamma. In the ratio is what is the roots are given in the ratio. Alpha is to beta equal to 3 is to 2. So if the ratio means added with some constant, alpha equal to 3k, beta equal to 2k. What is our sum of the root? Usually find this is a cubic equation, so find the sum of the root. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus b by a. So minus of minus 9 what? Plus 9, 9 by 1. So instead of alpha using 3k, instead of beta using 2k plus gamma. So 5k plus gamma equal to 9. Now gamma equal to 9 minus 5k. Remember that one. The condition for the last time I revise is for product of the two root is 1. Here the product of the roots are, the given roots are in the ratio, the two roots are in the ratio 3 is to 2. Therefore, one of the root is taken as alpha is to beta is 3 is to 2, alpha equal to 3k. Always a ratio is right in the some constant. Alpha equal to 3k, beta equal to 2k. So first you find the sum of the root. Now alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha equal to C by A. So what is the substitute the value? Alpha equal to 3k, beta equal to 2k, gamma equal to, just now we find 9 minus 5k. You substitute all the value. Instead of alpha, beta, gamma, you substitute the value. That result is at C by A is nothing but 14 by 1. After the simplification, we want to find the value of k. Alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma, alpha equal to C by A. Instead of alpha, beta, gamma, write the substitute the result. We get a quadratic equation in terms of k. So what is the quadratic? You get a 19k square minus 45k plus 14 equal to 0. So instead of using the sum and product, we are going to apply the formula method. Formula method is what? K equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Just you substitute the value. What is our a? A equal to 19, b equal to minus 45, c equal to 14. After substitute we get the result of 45 plus or minus, you get that value. These are calculation part, go through yourself. Using the formula method, we substitute, we get the value for k equal to what? We get the value, 2 value for k. K equal to 2, k equal to 7 by 19. If k equal to 2, we are 2 roots we are getting. K equal to 2, k equal to 7 by 19. If k equal to 2 means alpha equal to 3k, beta equal to 2k, gamma equal to 9 minus 5k. You substitute the k equal to in the value, we get the result what? 6, 4, minus 1. Similarly, substitute k equal to 7 by 19. What is the result? Alpha 3k. You substitute the value. Instead of k, substitute 7 by 19. We get the result is what? What are the roots we are getting? Alpha equal to 21 by 19. Beta equal to 14 by 19. Gamma equal to what? 136 by 19. What are the roots are getting? Alpha, beta, gamma equal to. If k equal to 2 means what is the result we get? 6, 4, minus 1. If alpha equal, sorry, not alpha, k equal to 2 means we get the result for 6, 4, minus 1. Alpha, beta, gamma roots are. If k equal to 7 by 19, k equal to 7, the roots are 21 by 19, comma 14 by 19, comma 136 by 9. These are very important sum for you. So just to find a sum of the root alpha plus beta plus gamma, in ratio means nothing but you take the what constant k. So 3k, 2k we take, because 3 is to 2 means 3k, 2k taken out. Using this one, first alpha plus beta plus gamma, using first find the gamma value. Afterwards alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma, alpha, c by a, product of the root. So product, sum of the product of root in pairs, using that one you find the value of k in the quadratic equation. Using the quadratic equation, you find, after getting the quadratic equation, using the formula minus 3 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, you substitute the value, you get the value for k equal, we get the 2 value for k, you substitute the value k equal to k equal to, so what are the two values, you substitute it, we get the roots for alpha, beta, gamma. Very important sum for you student. In exercise number 3.0, just recall the second sum. Find a polynomial equation minimum degree with rational coefficients having 2 plus root 3i is a root. Find a polynomial equation of minimum degree with rational coefficients having 2 plus root 3i as a root and proof. So 2 plus root 3i is a root means 2 minus root 3i is also another root. 2 plus I root 3 is one of the root means 2 minus I root 3 is another root. So find the sum of this. So means nothing but what? Find the sum of the root. We added the two roots. If we cancel plus root 3i minus root 3, we get the result for 4. Again find the product of the root. 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus I root 3. A plus b into a minus b, sorry, a square minus b square, we get what? 4 plus 3 equal to 7. Therefore x square minus sum of the root into x plus the product of the root equal to 0. So x square minus 4x plus 7 equal to 0 is the required equation. One root is 2 plus root 3i means another root is taken as 2 minus I root 3. Afterwards we finding the sum of the root as well as product of the root. You substitute in the equation sum of the root and product, you get the required equation. So exercise number 3.3, solve the equation with roots form a geometric progression. In the exercise number 3.3 having the AP also given, I am going to explain the revise the GP progression. What is the solve the equation using the GP progression? For second sum given the AP progression. So I see that one GP. The given equations are 3x minus 26x square plus 52x minus 24 equal to 0, a equal to 3, b equal to minus 26, c equal to 52, d equal to minus 24. What are the roots? Let the roots are we taken in the GP. General form, how to take the roots? Let the roots are a by r, a r. What is the sum of the root? A by r plus ar equal to minus b by a. Usual method. Sum of the root is what? Minus b by a. You substitute the value instead of b. So we taken as from the given cubic, we taken as rewrite as a, b, c, d value. Afterwards sum of the root is what? Minus b by a. Similarly, find the product of the root. A by r into r cancelled. A cube equal to minus d by a is what? 24 by 3 equal to 8. A cube equal to 8 is a equal to, we get 2. Substitute a equal to in equation 1. After the simplification, we get a quadratic equation in terms of for r. See the calculation part is go through that one properly. Already I gave notes for you. So instead of a, you substitute 2 by r plus 2r equal to 26 by 3. You take the LCM. After taking the LCM cross multiplication, we get a quadratic equation in what? 6r square minus 20r plus 6 equal to 0. So find the sum is what? After divide by 2, it is easy for calculation. Divide by 2, we get what? 3r square minus 10r plus 3 equal to 0. So you find the sum and product using the factorization method. Sum of the root is what? Minus 10. Product is what? 3 is 9. So using the factorization method, you solve that one. You get the value for r equal to 3, r equal to 1 by 3. We get the two values, r equal to 3, r equal to 1 by 3. Now if a equal to 2, r equal to 1 by 3 means a by r, a r. So you substitute the value, you get what? 6 to 2 by 3. So if a equal to 2, r equal to 3 means what? A by r, a r. What is the result we get? 2 by 3, 2, 6. Therefore the roots are what? 6, 2, 2 by 3 are the reciprocal. 2 by 3, 2 reverse order. 2 by 3, 2, 6 only. See in exercise number 3.4, partly factored polynomial. Asking in the 3-mark question. Solve the equation. This see 4 bracket are given. X minus 5, x minus 7, x plus 6, x plus 4 equal to 504. Rewrite the equation. X minus 4 into x plus 4, because minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1. Similarly, minus 7 plus 6 is what? Minus 1. So like that you are arranging the rewriting the given equation as x minus 5 x plus 4 into x minus 7 into x plus 6 equal to 504. So if you multiplication, you get the quadratic equation x square. After multiplication you get the first you multiply the first two bracket after according to rewriting the equation, because see that one minus 5 plus 4 is we get what? Minus 1. Similarly minus 6 plus 6 minus 7 plus 6 also get what? Minus 1. So if we multiply, we arrange the quadratic equation. After getting the quadratic, what is the quadratic equation for the first two bracket? X square minus x minus 20. For after the second and third bracket multiply, we get the quadratic equation what? X square minus x minus 42 equal to 0. Now we taken as x square minus x is taken as what? Y. That is y minus 20. This is converted in the two bracket, two quadratic converted into a linear equation. So y minus 20. X square minus x is what? Y. Y minus 20 into y minus 42 equal to 504. Again, if we multiply, what do you get? So after the y minus 20 to y minus 42 equal to 504. If you multiply, what do you get? Y square minus 62y plus 336 equal to 0. This is very important sum for you. Go through properly. Very simple. Having the 4 bracket is converted into 2 bracket. Thus bracket the quadratic equation. The quadratic equation taken as x square minus x is taken as what? Y. That is y minus 20 into y minus 42. After multiplication, you get a quadratic equation in terms of y. First you get in terms of x. After simplification, getting the quadratic equation in terms of what? Y. So y minus 62y plus 336 equal to 0. So y minus 6 into y minus 45, 56, we find the sum and product. Minus 6 into minus 56, we get 336. So y minus 6 into y minus 56 equal to 0. That is y, instead of y is we taken as what? X square minus x. So you substitute the value x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Instead of y, you take y. If you replace y by x square minus x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. Similarly, what? X square minus x minus 56 equal to 0. Again, take the sum and product. We get the values for. If I easily solve the equation, sum and product, we get what? X minus 3 x plus 2 equal to 0. That is x is equal to 3, x is equal to minus 2. Here what? X is equal to 8, x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the value of x is what? 3, minus 2, 8 and minus 7 as the roots of the given equation. So this is very important sum. Exercise number 3.1 solve 2 into root of x by a plus 3 into root of a by x is equal to b by a plus 6a by b. We are going to solve means nothing but what? Find the value for x. So root of x by a equal to y, root of a by x is equal to, this is x by a means this is taken as what? 1 by y, because x by a reciprocal to a by x. This is taken as y means this is what? 1 by y. You substitute the value. 2y plus 3 by y equal to b by a plus 6a by b. After simplification, what do you do? 2y square plus 3 by y equal to b into b square 6a square by ab. Just a cross multiplication, what do you get? We get the quadratic equation in terms of y. 2y square minus y into some value plus 3 equal to 0. So y square term, y term, constant term. So apply the sum and product, not sum and product method, you apply the formula method. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Substitute the value. Instead of a, you 2. Instead of b, write the coefficient of y value. Instead of c, write 3. So after simplification, what happens? See, the calculation part is very important. Very it's a little bit hard for you. Go through that one. Instead of b, very big term for the instead of b. You substitute the b term. B square plus 6a square by ab plus or minus root of b square the whole square minus 4a into c divided by 2a. So if you simplification, what happened? 24 into, see that 4 to 0, 8 3 are 24. Just you multiply this a plus, you apply the formula a plus b the whole square formula. So b power 4 plus 36 a power 4 plus 12 2ab 12 a square b square by a square b square, that is multiplied with the 24. What is the final step? We get denominator already having 2a. 2a value is nothing but what is 2a value? 2a value is nothing but what? 2 2s are 4. So the calculation, after go through the calculation. So simplify we get b square minus 6a square the whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. We rewrite as what? B square minus 6a square the whole square by a square b square. If we taking the root on taking the square root, because square and root are cancelled, we get what? B square minus 6a square by ab. So if we taking plus value after minus value, add the two terms, after subtract the two terms, we get y equal to, what are the two value you get? Y equal to b by 2a, here y equal to 3a by b. So we get the value for y equal to b by 2a as well as y equal to 3a by b. Next what we got? Result, substitute the result in 1 and 2. What I taken as y equal to root of x by a. Instead of y we take what? We want to find the value. Solve means we find the value for x. So instead of y substitute b by 2a root of x by a. Squaring on both sides we get what? X square equal to ab square by 4a square. After simplification we get what? X square equal x is equal to b square by 4a. Similarly y equal to root of a by x. Root of a by x is nothing but what? 1 by y. So y equal to root of x by a. So root of a by x is 1 by y. You substitute the again value. What is the value? Instead of y you substitute what? 3a by b. We get the two value for, after solving the quadratic equation we get the two value for y. One value substitute instead of y equal to b by 2a. Another value substitute y equal to 3a by b. If we want to remove the square root for squaring on both sides we get what? 9a square by b square by x by a. So after simplification we get what? X is equal to 9a cube by b square. Therefore we get the solution for, solve means nothing but we find the value for x. X is equal to b square by 4a and x is equal to 9a cube by b square.